Ever wondered if your current smartphone is holding you back? Maybe it's time to look at a device that pushes the envelope in every aspect. Today, we're diving into the world of the Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G, a smartphone that's redefining the standards of technology. Imagine a device that doesn't compromise on speed or storage. The Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G boasts an impressive 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB ROM. This powerhouse combination ensures a smooth, seamless experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And for those who crave even more space, there's the convenience of expandable memory. Now let's talk visuals. This phone features a 17.02 centimeter or 6.7 inch full HD plus display. But it doesn't stop there. The display is a 120 Hz curved vision OLED designed to deliver a stunningly immersive viewing experience. Add to that the Swift 16-inch hyper-precise touch, ProXDR, and HDR, and you've got a display that's as responsive as it is beautiful. Next up, the camera. The Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G doesn't skimp on the optics. It presents a triple camera setup, 58 and 64 megapixels respectively, accompanied by a 32 megapixel front camera. Day or night, these cameras are designed to capture your world in stunning detail. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor. This chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 5G, ensures lag-free gaming, seamless multitasking, and lightning-fast connectivity. It's a powerhouse that keeps up with your fast-paced life. And what about battery life? This device packs a hefty 5,000 mAh battery, equipped with 67W Super VOOC charge. That means less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying everything this phone has to offer. In summary, the Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G is a smartphone that goes beyond expectations. It offers power, performance, and a plethora of features designed to enhance your digital life. If you're looking for a device that's both stylish and powerful, the Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G might just be your perfect match. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.